Celebrity Chef Mariko Amikudomo, and today I'm going to show you how to make quesadillas with brie and walnuts. This is such a delicious alternative to your traditional quesadillas, and they taste great for any meal, snack, or even for a fancy appetizer. To get started, you will want to get a pan heated to medium-high heat. Then I'm going to get my tortilla. There are so many delicious types of tortillas out there. They're gluten-free and whole wheat and spinach. Just use whatever your favorite type is. Then I'm going to get the brie cheese and cut it in thin pieces. I want to make sure everything is thin and even so it all melts perfectly. Okay. Now, grease your pan. You could use a little butter, or today I'm using an olive oil spray. I really like it because it gives a lot of flavor without a lot of fat. I'm just going to spray that at the bottom. And then I'm going to put my tortilla in there. And on one half of the tortilla, I'm going to put my brie cheese. Get it evenly in there. That's about 4 pieces of brie. And then I'm going to give it a generous sprinkling of walnuts. I really like the extra added crunch that these walnuts give the quesadilla, and it also gives it so many good essential oils and some extra added protein. Okay. Now I'm just going to fold my tortilla over. Be careful, it's hot. And now I'm just going to let it brown to perfection on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it over. Once your quesadilla with brie and walnuts is golden on each side, it is ready to serve. I'm just going to put it on my sheet right here. It smells delicious. And now it is ready to cut and serve. This will taste delicious with your favorite dipping sauce or even a little drizzle of honey. This is Mariko showing you how to make quesadillas with brie and walnuts. Enjoy.